Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one is NHS England service codes by year. I've downloaded the latest file here, so you can see all the service codes and descriptions, etc. And other info about each one, and also commissioned service category codes. This data has been put into the Facts and Dimensions database, so let's have a look. Here it is. Very simple, just copy the data over, all ready to be used. Not much more to say than that, really. There's a in the description below the video, there's a link to access this data and the thousands of other reference and stats data in the Facts and Dimensions database. You get free access for 30 days to try it out. Thanks.